Imagine this, a normal evening. You're scrolling through your feed, watching a series, and at that very moment, millions of miles away, a tiny dot of light in a telescope starts to act weird. To you, it means nothing, but for the astronomer looking at the screen, their blood runs cold. That dot is moving, and it's moving right towards us. Think this is a movie? Nope. Right now, dozens of robotic telescopes, like silent guardians, are scanning the sky. They're looking for visitors, uninvited guests. Most are just space rocks, but sometimes one appears. The one whose orbit crosses ours. A planet killer. A rock the size of a city flying at the speed of a bullet. And that's when the survival game begins. We only have a few years. What are we gonna do? Just sit and wait like the dinosaurs? Luckily, we're smarter. We have a plan, and more than one. Option 1. Cosmic billiards. We launch a heavy, fast kamikaze ship into the asteroid, not to break it, but to push it, gently. Over millions of miles, this push will turn into a huge deviation. The asteroid will simply miss. Simple, right? But hitting a flying mountain is quite a challenge. Option 2, more elegant, the gravity tractor. We don't hit it, we politely ask it to move over. A massive ship just flies alongside the asteroid. For years, its tiny gravity, like an invisible tow rope, slowly but surely pulls the giant off its dangerous course. Slow, but safe. And we've already done it. The DART mission, remember? We actually did it. NASA crashed a fridge-sized probe into a stadium-sized asteroid. And it worked. We, humans, changed the motion of a celestial body. We proved we can protect ourselves. It was the first real rehearsal for saving the world. But what if there's not enough time? What if the asteroid is too big? Then we have to bring out the big stick, the nuclear option. Nope, not like in the movies. Blowing it to pieces is a terrible idea. It's like hitting the whole planet with a shotgun blast of radioactive fragments. The plan is different, a standoff detonation. We detonate a nuclear device near the asteroid. The immense energy flash vaporizes part of its surface, creating a rocket-like thrust that pushes it away. It's risky. It violates treaties. That's why it's the last resort option, the fire extinguisher on the wall for the worst-case fire. But what if nothing works? Then, Plan B, survival. But not for everyone. The best will be chosen. Scientists, engineers, doctors, people who can rebuild civilization. They will hide in deep underground arcs, built to survive the impact and the decades of nuclear winter that will follow. They will become humanity's last hope. Their task is to emerge when the darkness clears and start from scratch. The story isn't just a scary tale. It's a reminder of how fragile we all are and how we're all in the same boat. Maybe a common threat like this is what it will take to finally make us forget our differences. Because if we don't save our shared home, there will be no one left to save. What do you think? Can we do it?